Grandpa John, we're going to do a pan roasted, actually oven roasted rockfish. So, hang on.
If you're wondering what type of collar he's talking about, it's not just a regular collar. It's actually got a GPS tracking in it. I'll explain all that later. Once we get it on, you may already know, you may not know. But when he puts these on, he can track his dog wherever it's at to a certain point.
Right now, I'm just going to do an onion because I'm going to stuff some spices and onion into the body cavity. Alrighty. So. This is our rockfish. This is a little greenling that I caught at the beginning of the season. Probably 6 months ago. I caught this just before I injured my shoulder. So there we go. There we go. Now, when I vacuum packed it, I removed all of the spines on the back and on the side, and of course, you gill and gut it. So, this one's been gilled and gutted. So, and we're going to do the basics. We're going to do sea salt, pepper, I should have been a lot more prepared for this, but I'm not. There's going to be some parsley flakes and some onion powder. Looking for some garlic powder. Got some basil. And I'm going to try this new seasoned pepper. It's from Lawry's. I haven't tried it yet on fish, so we'll see how it tastes. But it looks okay. Yeah, this particular greenling was caught over off the jetty in Westport. So and all I've done to it is, like I said, I scaled it, gilled and gutted it, and removed all of the spikes and the fins. And you can see it's a pretty small fish. about 12, 13 inches. But if you look at it, this from here to here is all solid meat. They have a very small gut pocket. This is about that big there, and of course we don't eat the gills and that stuff too. And it does have some cheeks, but they're really, really small, about that big. But we are going to eat them. Okay. Now I'm going to do some small slices on it. And then I do it on both sides. So, and I've been told I'm supposed to look at the camera more, so I'm actually going to concentrate on cutting this up because I just sharpened this knife and it's really, really sharp. So, make sure I don't cut myself again, because I've already cut myself once and it really, really hurt. Okay. We start with some salt. Alright. Take it and open up the where I sliced it. When I put the pepper on it. You want to go a little bit heavy. And we're going to go with, here's my garlic powder. Okay, we're gonna. And what I'm doing is I'm using some onion to put inside the cavity, and also using onion to put on the bottom of the pan to elevate it so it's not sitting in its own juices per se and getting soggy. Okay, now we're going to preheat the oven to 375. This is the pan we're going to use. Like I said, I'm going to take the onions and put them down to support the fish. And then the fish is going to sit just like that. Okay, after it gets, I'm going to put it in for about an hour and 10 minutes. Of course, I'll check it along the way, because you got to make sure that you don't overcook it. But that's going to be our main course. Okay, this is what the final results are. It came out, it looked really, really good. We haven't tried it yet. And there's some ribs, some Chinese broccoli, and of course the salad that I showed earlier. So, well, thank you, and we'll talk to you later.